Hi everyone, this is Rashi and I'm creating this video to show you a demo for the Enterprise Strategy Agent. This is our landing page. From here you can log in via Google or for Microsoft. We have a landing page which explains you what our product is about. So the Enterprise Strategy Agent is basically a culmination of four separate agents. The first one is the Enterprise Search Agent. This will help you to read everything your organization already knows, basically your internal documents, and tells you and helps you in finding out the exact information that you are looking for within your enterprise documents. The second one is the Deep Research Agent, which is basically helps you filling in the gaps that you have in your existing documents or anything that you want to research about on the World Wide Web. The third one is the Data Analyst Agent. It turns everything that you have researched about into numbers that you can defend, validated figures, charts, and every answers linked back to its source. The fourth agent is the Strategy Synthesizer Agent, which is basically helping you to write decisions which you can, take to board meetings, and it helps you with recommended actions, assumptions, and risks. Now I'll take you through the demo. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Now, first, I will start with showing you how a new workspace can be created. So here you can enter your workspace name, and it helps you creating a workspace. Workspaces are basically, keeping everything in one place, and you can invite collaborators from your enterprise to work alongside you on these workspaces. I already have a workspace created for my work, and it has some documents and outputs and everything. So I'll be using this workspace for this particular demo. For uploading your internal documents, we have this option from where you can upload from your local device. You can connect different sources, or you can paste URLs for your particular research notes or any news articles or any document that you want to perform this research upon. Now I'll start with the first agent, which is basically the Enterprise Search Agent, and I'll ask it to research my internal documents with a particular use case. So this triggers the Enterprise Search Agent, and it researches through different documents. It shows the thinking here that it has searched internal four documents, and these are the documents, and then I can see the detailed view of the enterprise search from here. So it shows the output, and it also shows the specific question this particular agent has. Now it is asking me about some details that April versus May churn driver is not explained, and also it is highlighting that there is no external benchmark referenced yet. So for this particular gap, I can trigger the Deep Research Agent, and I can ask it to do the further research. So I'll ask something like, we have no external benchmark. So then this prompt then triggers the Deep Research Agent, and it again in a similar fashion shows me the output, and it asks me further questions. Now this is basically a paywall approval that it is asking me for, that it has hit a paywall for a particular document or an artifact for which a payment is required, and only once I approve it, it will trigger and do the payment for me. Now then after this, what I can do is I can ask it to perform some data analysis on the existing research that we have done. This will then trigger the Data Analyst Agent. It will again show me the output. It will ask me the questions it has. So it has given me the output. It is saying that the information is verified based on the internal documents and the external data that we researched about. And then it is showing me the graph as I asked it to. And then again, it is asking me the questions that it has. Now, based on this research and the analysis that I have done, I will move and ask it to build a strategy for me, saying that skip the paywall source for this demo. And so I have asked it to build one-page board strategy and skip the paywall source for this demo and draft it. So again, it has given me the output in terms of it is pending drafting because it is asking me for a final approval. Once I approve it, it will be able to generate the report for me. Now, another capability that we have is the flow view. This basically shows me how each and every agent is connected to each other, what are the internal documents and artifacts it is connected to, and what are the external documents and artifacts it has referred to. And it clearly shows me the flows from here. So that's it for my demo. Thank you.